I would like to move into a different discussion. That is, up to now, if you look at whatever the point here, we had only, other than this case, we had only one variable input, either land or labor or capital or entrepreneurship, whatever. We were having only one production factors. Now we are going to put the two production factors case, because we assume that the production function will be having only two production factors, that is capital and labor. Then up to now we kept either capital fixed or labor fixed. So what I'm going to do now, we are going to change both capital and labor. So if we change both capital and labor, we say that we are in the long run, because the definition of a short run is that there should be at least one fixed input, In this case, there is no any fixed input. You see, in the previous case, we had K bar here. We said K is fixed. It is not changing with the level of output. But in this case, we say both capital and labor are variables. Now, if we are moving into long run, then how to determine the output level? Like what we did in the short run, now we need to determine what is the output level in the long run, right? Where we are getting the maximum profit. Or we can minimize the cost, which we will be discussing very soon. We can minimize the cost with the given level of output. So output will be given and we will minimize the cost. Thereby we try to maximize the profit. But anyway, in this discussion, we assume that profit maximization is there. The objective of the firm is to maximize profit. And there are two ways. Either we can maximize the output, keeping the cost fixed. Budget of the firm, the total capital and whatever it is, we put together and call budget of the firm, the total capital that firm is having. So given the level of budget, we can maximize our output level. On the other hand, we can minimize the cost, keeping the same output level. So whatever it is, at the end of the day, what we are trying to maximize profit. These two, the first two objectives, these two are known as constraint optimization. We have a constraint. Constraint in the first case, constraint is the budget. Our objective is to maximize output with the given constraint. Constraint is the given budget. So budget is given. The second case, minimize the cost given output. So constraint will be the output. So output is given. What we are trying to do, we are trying to minimize the cost. Therefore, we say that we are going to do the constraint optimization. If you look at the textbook, you will see constraint optimization. Using differentiation, we can easily do the constraint optimization.